Hi guys, good morning. So it's actual morning today. It's weekend and I'm gonna cook garlic butter salmon guys, and it looks now, so I season well with salt and pepper. So I let it sit for 5 minutes and it's ready to cook. And I have garlic too. I'll show you. So ito na nga guys, ito yung garlic na gagamitin ko. So I already grated it, so it's easy to cook, and it's quicker. And then I'm using this butter guys, so actually medyo melty. So actually you can microwave this before you're gonna use it, but mine is I'll just put it straight away since I'm gonna use oil guys para mix na rin, so butter and oil, but konti lang to fry the um fish. So ito na nga, ayan. So dito ko sa shed, I'm using the old chalkboard, ayan. So let's start cooking. So here guys, I have a free heat na to guys, na oil. So I'm using, I don't know, rice oil to guys yung ginamit namin. So ayan, ready na. So let's start to do the fish cook. And here it is guys, this is the looks of the fish. So I just fry it a little bit. And then I think napadami yung oil ko, but I'm just gonna kunan ko lang ng konti para di siya sobrang oily. Ayan. And then after this, when it's maybe turned brown, I'll add the garlic and the butter na. Just very easy. Ayan. Tapos I'll cover this one guys kasi pisik. So now guys, I flip na the fish. So just put the garlic guys. So ayan. And then I'll cover it in a bit. Then I add the butter. So I already add the guys, garlic. Ayan. As you can see. And then I'll flip once more guys, this side and this that other side and the other side. So yeah. Ayan. Madali lang to guys. It's very easy to cook this one. Ayan. So what you do guys is like this. Spread the butter and oil to the salmon. Ayan. Medyo pisik. Sige lang. Pwede nyo itong itry sa bahay guys. You can try cook like this. Ayan. This is what looks like now guys. The garlic butter salmon natin. So, ayan. Ang garlic guys na na talaga na paig na. Ayan. So, hihintay ko na lang guys to like more golden brown pa siya. Ayan. Tapos na-flip ko na rin guys, and after this yung oil nito guys, I'm gonna use it for to make a sauce. Ayan. So tada, ito na ang finished product guys. So luto na. Ayan ang ating garlic butter salmon. So ayan. Tapos strain lang guys, and then you add mixed herbs after this, or any herbs you like, or sauce. Ayan. Tapos i-strain ko lang din. Ayan.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams.